Hey guys, what's going on? So we are about to do some fishing today. So probably a couple weeks ago, went out fishing. There was a nearby dam where walleye come up and they hold there. And so I was like, you know what, maybe I'll give this a shot. So I went nighttime fishing and I was videotaping. I didn't make a video out of it because I wasn't really catching much at all. Honestly, I didn't catch anything except for right at the end. Well, actually, I'll just let you watch the footage for yourself. Look at that nice, beautiful fish. That is a nice walleye right there. Oh my God. That's a chunk. Look at that. That's beautiful. So yeah, I got that nice walleye. As you can see, I was very excited. I didn't really know what to do, wasn't expecting it. But it was 6 pounds, weighed it, caught it with the jerkbait. I was just swimming it along and letting the current of that dam do its thing. Now, last night, my buddy and I, we decided to go fishing. It was beautiful here. It was 80 degrees and sunny. And we wanted to go for some largemouth, pre-spawn spawning largemouth. And you know, the weather lately hasn't been anything great. You know, it's been, I don't know, probably mid to high 50s, low 60s if we've been lucky, probably the past week. But then yesterday it was like 80 degrees and sunny, you know, so with it being that warm, and it rained a little yesterday too, and so having that warm water just filter into the small pond, or the small lake, or big pond, I guess, that we were fishing, you know, it really helped. And so we were going along the bank, just trolling along, and we were seeing so many spawning bass, so many suspended bass. Nothing was biting though, nothing. I caught maybe a pike and a crappie, but other than that, I wasn't getting any bass. And so, but then right at the end, same thing happened. I saw this big bass. I had my polarized sunglasses on. Saw it was pretty big size, so I made a pitch to it. I was using a 5-inch Gary Yamamoto Senko with a 3 or 4-aught hook, I believe. I think it was a 3-aught hook, and but it was weedless. Rigged it Texas rig, and but yeah, I pitched that out to it, and it devoured it right away. As soon as it hit the water, it just ran up and grabbed it. And but yeah, here's a picture. But yeah, that was fun. That was exciting. It weighed 5 pounds right on the dot, and it was fun. It was really, it really made me happy. Really made my night. Again, nevertheless, we're out here today. Today we're going out to a small town called Philadelphia. It's in northern New York, near Theresa. Hopefully we can catch some walleye today for you, and maybe some smallmouth bass. Who knows? But yeah, here we go. All right guys, so we just got to our spot. We're out here in Philadelphia. We're at that dam that I was talking about earlier, connects to the Indian River. Walleye are coming up, and you know, this is where we're gonna be fishing. That's what it's looking like. But you know, I'm excited today. I'm out here with my cousin Nick. If you don't remember, he was in my first fishing video that I put up on YouTube. We were out there ice fishing for walleye, and if you don't remember, go back real quick and just check that out and refresh your memories of his beautiful face. But yeah, here he is.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, but we're out here and we're about to do some fishing, so hopefully we can get some good fish for you guys.
Oh no. God damn it.
Well guys, I flew a tree and now I'm stuck. Oh man, this is a great start. Just to let you guys know, before this I lost a husky jerk on a rock, so lost 2 lures and about 4 casts. I love that start. What's up guys? So we just got to our next spot. We're fishing underneath this bridge right here. As you can see, we're gonna be fishing that. Should be a lot of smallmouth. Hopefully this water is higher than it has been in previous years, just because we've had so much rain. It's actually crazy high, but we'll give it a try, see if we can get anything. Hopefully we can. Guys, we literally, Nick's first cast, he cast it in, he's got a walleye hooked on right now. There you go. Nice little thing. And as you can see, I've snagged, I don't even know what that is. Looks like a bird's nest. But
First walleye I've caught here.
there you go. Nice little male.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So my cousin Nick just, geez, he's catching that. Oh, he got a big smallie on, big smallmouth on, hooked up right here. It's actually a nice one. Oh, look at that. Look at that nice smallie.
Not bad for the river.
No, not at all. That's actually a nice size one.
I cast it right in that little pool there, that stream that comes through, and there's a little pool that sits in there.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice fish.
Yeah.
Nice fish. Alright guys, I just hooked up into something. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. Oh, it's a northern? Is that a northern? My drags. I really have no idea what this is right now. Look, it's nice, whatever it is. That's a northern.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Not a bad northern. Pretty nice one. I don't want to get. I wasn't expecting that in here.
No.
Yeah, guys. So there we go. Nice, nice northern right there. Not bad. All right, guys. I just hooked into a nice smallmouth. Same thing. Fishing with that jerk bait. It's a really nice one. I don't want to lose it. It's another nice one. I don't know what the move is here. I don't know how good I have it hooked. Oh, I don't have him hooked very well at all. Just gonna try and run him up here. Huh? I am too. I need your help though, because you have the shoes to get in here. So here's my thing. I'm hooked into a smallmouth right now, and literally the last treble hook on my jerk bait is caught on something, and I see it, but the smallmouth is still hooked onto my jerk bait on the other treble hook, and so I don't really know. I hoping Nick could grab the fish for me. Can you see it right there? It's literally hooked. You want to grab it in your other hand for me? You see that?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So my smallmouth just came loose, so I'm gonna get this in before I lose it. Oh. Hey, here we go.
Multi-species.
Right there. Two nice fish, smallmouth and a walleye. All right. There they are. Guys, I'm hooked up again. I guess I just caught another smallie. Ooh, a nice one. Nick, this is a nice one. Oh yeah. There she is. Nice smallmouth. Didn't have as much of a problem getting this one in as the last one. Yeah. Real nice smallmouth. Let this guy go, and there she goes. All right, so just a quick little update. So what I am using is this little jerk bait, husky jerk. It's a Rapala. Yeah, I've been using it. It's one of my favorite colors. As you can see, it's got that like yellowish green highlighter stripe going down the center. It kind of mimics like a shad, and the way it displaces water, really it gets the fish going. It doesn't matter, pike, walleye, smallmouth, largemouth. It literally catches anything. But and then my cousin over here, Nick, he is using a, you know what, well, I'll just let him explain it.
I got a square bill crankbait. I think it's the crawfish color. I like the square bill crankbait for here because obviously I've caught 2 walleye with it and you can catch smallmouth. And I just wanted to explain to you guys, the current's running this way. And a lot of times walleye will sit up on a back current, so I don't. It might be hard to see, but you got the main channel with the current going that way, and you got probably 20, 25 feet of back current coming this way. So it's actually coming the other way. There's kind of a pool right in there, and I've caught both walleye right in the same exact area. They're just sitting in the where the current breaks on this off channel.
Smallmouth in the pool, walleye in the current. Can't be better than that. And hey, it's a prize pike too. That northern I was not expecting that at all. But yeah, that's what it is. Guys, Nick just hooked up again. We were just having a nice conversation. All of a sudden he said he got another. And we're thinking it's a walleye, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
He was casting right into that back current like he was talking about.
It's funny, I had my lure out and I was just letting it sit there. I was fixing my hat, so it must have just been sitting there having the action, and then I went to start reeling again and there it was. It's a better walleye than I've been catching.
Oh yeah, well, that's a nice little chunk. Oh! No! Hey, look at that, landed. Look at that. Hopefully.
There it is.
Yeah, nice one. That's your third one today. Yeah. You're hammering them right now. Not the biggest ones, but still they're fun to catch and they're good eating. Good size too.
All 3 of them came right where that current breaks.
Oh yeah.
I mean, just where the back current comes and the current breaks, they're all sitting there.
That's awesome.
All males, it seems to be.
Yeah, definitely.
I think the spawn's over and the males tend to hold back after the females come out, so.
There she goes. Nice, dude.
Sweet.
All right, guys, Nick just hooked up again. I wonder what it is. I just want to.
Fighting like a fight.
Yeah. It's making runs, zigzags. What is this? See it?
Yeah, smallmouth.
Big smallmouth? Oh yeah. Nice little smallmouth. Get on up here. There you go. Nick with a nice smallmouth right there. Oh, beautiful fish.
Not bad.
Beautiful fish. All right, guys, so I think we're gonna wrap it up here now. You know, it was a really successful day. We wanted to try that dam first because we have caught walleye there in the past. Obviously it didn't work out, so making the call to come to this bridge was obviously the right move. You know, my cousin Nick, he's always a good person to fish with. Some in our family like to call him the walleye king, but you know, he obviously put on a show and he knows what he's doing. And Nick, what do you think about this day today?
Oh, it was a great day.
Like that?
First 2 spots weren't that good, but Evans Mills is always a good spot. It's always action here, so.
Hey, can't beat it. But it was a beautiful day, great day to be outdoors, and I think it's time to go shoot some guns now. What do you think?
I think so too.
Yeah. I will put the my Instagram tag in the bio in the link below. And I'll also put my cousin Nick's. Go give him a follow. He's got some good photos up there. But yeah, give us a follow. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to grow this, trying to make it into something bigger. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. See you soon.